Friday. For us, it's Thursday. You love Fridays, don't you? Because then you know Mama's home with you for a couple days. Sweet girl. Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Sheila. I am back with another grocery haul. I forgot how much you guys like these, and it's nice to be able to get them in. I don't know if I will continue to do them every Friday, just how it happens to be for January, because that's how I scheduled it in. But let's get on with it. I have 3 gallons of water, a 2 liter of Crush, a 2 liter of root beer, a 2 liter of Sprite, a 2 liter of Coke. That is just to go in the pantry. Toilet paper. I think I bought toilet paper last week, but you can never have too much toilet paper, right? Hairspray, I'm 100% out, and they didn't have the one I wanted, but that'll do. Hi, Charles. Dog food. And a couple things cat food. We're still pretty stocked up on that. And 2 Diet Sunkist and some paper plates. My husband actually likes to use paper plates because he says it doesn't give me so many dishes to wash. I prefer regular plates, but hey, if we're buying paper plates, I'll use one. Sometimes I use a bowl though. Anyway, get to the point. Another family size Caesar salad. You guys, I love this Caesar salad kit. It's pretty amazing. And we just had Caesar salad last night, but that is for another night. You'll see it on the sort of on a meal plan. Bacon, some finely shredded Parmesan cheese, 3 gallons of a Red Diamond sweet tea. That is the twins' favorite. I think we talked about this last week. 2 gallons of whole milk. I really should have bought 3, but there's not a room in the icebox for a third one. I may have to get some during the week. Some sliced provolone. Then I got this pack of chicken breast. There are 7 in here. I'm going to split this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm wrong. There's 8. So I'm going to do 4 and 4. This is for 2 meals. I have some of these ribeye chops, ribeye pork chops. Of course, they're boneless. Some top sirloin steak. A pound of lean ground beef. And then tater tots, frozen meatballs. I don't buy those very often. You'll see why in a minute. Some deluxe stir fry that has broccoli, Italian green beans, carrots, baby corn cobs, water chestnuts, and red peppers. I just wanted something different for a veggie side. I needed some more gallon size zipper bags, storage bags. I ordered the boys some corn dogs. They were out, so they subbed for the a 40 count mini corn dogs, which the boys are fine with. A roll of paper towels, that's just for backup. I have a graham cracker crust. I'm going to make an icebox pie. A tub of cheese balls. I have not bought these for them probably since maybe this time last year. That will last quite a while. Just a little snack. A little snacky snack. Each of them a pack of gum. That's in the peppermint. 2 boxes of the soft pretzels. They are still enjoying those. A 2-pound bag of tater tots. Some Grand's frozen biscuits. Those are great for a weeknight meal. When I don't want to spend the extra 20 minutes to throw some biscuits together. It really doesn't take that long, but it kind of saves me a little bit of time. Some medium shell pasta, a pack of instant mashed potatoes, some Zatarain Spanish rice, some marinara sauce, just the fake Parmesan cheese is what we call it, 2 packs of these sub buns, a bag of Funyuns, honey wheat bread. I am completely out of butter, so I bought a 2-pack of butter, bananas, a green bell pepper, a taco seasoning, ranch, Eagle brand milk, Rotel, and chopped green chilies, a can of cream of mushroom soup, a can of cream of celery soup, and a can of cream of chicken soup, some Bush's black beans, angel hair pasta, an English cucumber, some yellow onions, a can of 100% pumpkin, 2 blocks of cream cheese. And these, you guys, are like the best apple ever. We really like the Honeycrisp apples, but these are the Envy apples. They are much like a Honeycrisp. They're very crisp. They're very juicy. They're very sweet. They're not mealy. I don't like mealy apples. So these are great, like with peanut butter, with caramel, fresh, just like this. So I bought a couple more of those. My husband had bought some Honeycrisp over the weekend. And we've been enjoying those and some bananas. So let me kind of show you my meal plan. Do not be laughing at me. I did not have time to type it out today. I really wanted to. And so I don't even know what days I'm making what except for today. I am making meatball subs. We're going to have Funyuns. I have some other chips. On grocery nights, instead, I used to get groceries, bring them home, put them up, and then we'd get takeout or order pizza. I'm trying to get out of that habit, and I've done pretty well. Gosh, it's been forever since I've done that. So last week we had the smokehouse chicken sandwiches, and I used the frozen chicken and it worked perfectly because by the time dinner was done, all the groceries were put up and it was nice. So I'm gonna pop those with some marinara sauce into a skillet and let them warm up. And we're gonna turn them into nice subs. I'm gonna also make some bacon wrapped chicken. That is like a sweet and spicy chicken. It's got a kick to it. I love this. I love making that. The kids love it. We're gonna have macaroni and cheese, probably green beans, and maybe like a roll or a biscuit or something. We're gonna do Philly cheesesteaks and tots. That is one of our favorite meals. That's why I had 2 things of sub buns. I'm gonna make fried chicken breast, mashed potatoes, biscuits, and gravy, and some kind of vegetable. I was going to do chicken fajitas, marked them off. That was just enough chicken there. Because I'm also going to make a forgotten chicken and rice. Probably, I have green beans on here twice, so I'll put some kind of veg in rolls. I'm grill some pork chops and make creamy, spicy garlic noodles and garlic knots. And that is likely when we'll have the Caesar salad, unless we have it with a fried chicken, and then some cheesy taco rice. So that is my meal plan for the next week. That gives us 7 dinners. I really didn't buy much for breakfast. My husband has been enjoying, well, I got him another can of Spam. I make him a fried Spam sandwich to take to work. Excuse me. But when he first gets up, he eats usually a bowl of Honey Nut Chex or some kind of cereal. The boys like cereal. I'll make waffles probably over the weekend and some sausage, and I have all that already on hand. So, yes, but I am there. Oh yeah, so it showed you the pie crust. So I'm going to actually probably make an icebox pie for the weekend, and then I have the stuff to make a pumpkin pie and a pecan pie on hand. I don't know, just in a pie mood, I guess. Sometimes we go through cookies, sometimes we go through a cake phase, sometimes we go through pies. Y'all know how it is. And this is a weekend I don't think I'm going to be making snacks since I made so many last weekend. And next weekend is Super Bowl, so we'll do probably appetizers and such. So that is that. That is my grocery haul. I went to Walmart. I did grocery pickup because it's just the easiest, most convenient way for me to stay on target with time, with, I guess, our budget. And I can get a wide variety of stuff, usually in one place, which is nice. And my total was $194 and some change. I'm usually hit around 200, sometimes a little more, depending on what I need to get. I think last week it was toilet paper and laundry stuff. I don't remember. I have to go back and look. But I'm good on laundry stuff, so that's nice. But that's it. You guys, if you have not used Walmart grocery pickup, I don't know what you're waiting for. even if it is just for your staple items. I know many people don't like their meat or their dairy or their produce. I have not had an issue with them. But you can always just use their grocery pickup for your hardcore items like toilet paper and laundry soap and dish soap and a lot of just stuff that you go in for. I hear Shelby trying to get her ball. So you can use your grocery pickup for that too, not just the grocery part, which is nice. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description box, and it will save you $10 off your first grocery pickup order. And honestly, it gives me $10 back too, which is always nice because you guys know feeding teenagers is not cheap. We don't eat out very often. Last Friday we had Subway, but I had that planned in our meal plan. This week I have enough to cover every supper, but we might choose to eat out one of those days. I don't know, but I have a plan, and that meal can just be transferred over. So that is always nice to know. And I am going to let you guys go. I will see you in the next video. I hope to have a kind of a behind the scenes writing vlog for you on Saturday, but I may not. I may wait and share that next week because I got a package in the mail and I would love to share that package with you. So you might get to see an unboxing on Saturday. That'll be fun. I haven't done one of those in a long time. But until then, I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.